Welcome everybody. This is the session on investor education. The session will guide you on the important do's and don'ts in financial markets. Epic Investor Education Cell. Epic Research is always believed in empowering investors and educating them to achieve their financial goals with proper asset allocation and honest advisory services. Epic Investor Education Cell is a dedicated department hosting a team of experts in financial markets who all share a common and only view of educating and empowering investor community. Some activities we do are webinar, investor education and training seminars, some articles on investor education, financial inclusion seminar for students and working professionals. Some important do's for the investor. You should always take a holistic view of your financial goals and invest accordingly. Invest only after adequate research and analysis. Never over leverage your trades. Always divide your capital while investing. Always use stop loss while you are trading. And if you are taking any advisory services from an investment advisor, trade in all the calls for the month. Do not miss any call in the month. Then only you will be able to check the accuracy of that particular investment advisor. We should book around 60% profits in the first target, 20% in second, and 30% and rest 20% in the last target. You should always trail your stop loss to cost price and then to different targets. For example, if you are trading at, you have bought a share at 100, stop loss 97, target 103, 106 and 109. So when the price 103 reaches, you should trail your stop loss from 100 to 100 and from 97 to 100 and then from 100 to 103 and so on. We should be aware that value of our investment is subject to ups and downs of the markets. They do not offer guaranteed returns like bank deposit. You should deal only with SEBI registered brokers, DPs. The whole list is available with SEBI and stock exchanges. You check and satisfy yourself with about the credential and experience of all the intermediaries. Always have your PAN card and bank account ready. Always take a unique client code from the stockbroker. Get all your trades executed only through your unique client code. Make payments only through account pay, check, drafts, ETFs to the stockbroker and not to the sub-broker. Ensure that you have contract note signed in physical or in digital format by an authorized person. Keep track of all your portfolios in your Demat account. In case of any dispute, difference, grievance, contact the compliance officer of the broker. Be aware that every broker DP are required to have a dedicated email ID. So you can mail all your complaints on that dedicated email ID. You can see that email ID on their websites or on their account opening forms. Important don'ts for the investor. Do not invest with any borrowed money. Do not expect unrealistic or guaranteed returns. Do not be influenced by advertisement, advices, rumors, or unauthenticated news promising unrealistic gains and windfall profits in mass media. Never be guided by astrological predictions. Do not invest in script with sudden spurts in volume and price. Do not be swayed away by market sentiments. Do not invest on any implicit promises made by anyone. Do not indulge in impulse investing. Do not participate in any unauthorized and illegal trades outside the stock exchange mechanism. Do not give wrong or incomplete information in the account opening form. Do not reveal your trading Demat account password to anybody. Do not allow others to trade in your trading account. Do not trade in anybody else's account. Do not pay money to anyone to trade on your behalf for assured returns. Do not entrust management of your money securities with broker, sub-broker. Do not sign any blank form. And you should never be engaged in practices that distort demand and prices artificially. So this was a small presentation on investor education. Happy trading by Epic Research.